The first recipient of the Citizenship Award is Jaime Libaque.
Hi, my name is Jaime Libaque. I'm a professional engineer in the electrical field, and I'm a lifelong volunteer. My undergraduate was in Peru. I had two majors, one in electronics and the other in power systems. When I came to Canada, I enrolled into the graduate courses at the University of Toronto in power systems. My career at Ontario Hydro spanned for about 32 years. I joined as a junior engineer in training in the Power System Operations Division. After a year, I was offered a position at the control center as an assistant engineer. I started my part-time studies at the University of Toronto, and then I moved into the transmission department. After many years, I moved into the planning area, and I was promoted to the senior planning engineer. After I completed my MBA, I was promoted to senior project manager, managing larger and more complex projects over the years until I retired about 5 years ago. Volunteering is very important to me. One of my good volunteer activities was to found the Hispanic Canadian Professionals Association. We started a mentorship program to pass information on to the new immigrants in terms of culture, in terms of the work environment, and the accreditation process. The highlight of our association was a project called Language Testing for Engineers. The project was successful and demonstrated that the language requirements for foreign trained professionals should be occupation specific. For example, engineers should be tested on the knowledge of the engineering terminology, medical doctors on the terminology for medical doctors, and so on and so. That model was then adopted by other agencies like Skills for Change, and that's what they provide now to the foreign trained people. I've been volunteering for many groups, but I'm gonna say the one I'm most proud of is having developed organizational capability in this parish with the Knights of Columbus to deliver service programs. We deliver services to the community, to the parish, to the families. We run about 20 programs per year, and we do it well, so we have been recognized as the best overall council in Ontario in our category, and we have won several international awards as well. Developing that capability is one of the reasons that makes me very proud. My volunteer work for the last 30 years has impacted the various groups I've been involved with in a positive way. About 35,000 people that have benefited from my work, and I think that number says something.
For his career-long and meaningful contributions as both a volunteer and community leader, engineer Jaime Libaque is being recognized with the Citizenship Award.